It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We've done it again. We got a 185 Flight Series Bayliner. It's a 2013 model. Beautiful black and white hull boat with the monster tower feature on it. That was a factory done thing. The Flight Series added the extended swim platform on it. It was part of their wakeboard water ski series boats. And this boat is exceptionally remarkable because it's running a 4.3 multi-port injected engine. That means each cylinder is injected, and we're doing our walk around video. As you can see, it's a beautiful boat. It's got a great looking MerCruiser Alpha 1 drive with a stainless steel Mirage propeller. That's a $1,500 propeller. 125 guaranteed and verified hours on a freshwater boat is what we are selling. We've done 100-hour servicing on the boat. We've gone through it. We've run it up. We've checked everything on it. If it doesn't work, we have fixed it. It is in great shape. It's a 185 Bayliner Flight Series 2013, and we have priced it to go. Somebody's gonna get a great boat at a great price. It's got the cab forward design on it as well, where the bow of the boat opens up a little bit wider in the front like all the modern boats do. So you have better seating up in the front. It comes with a Caravan single axle trailer with brakes on it and lights, etc. We've checked all that too. It all seems to be working in great shape. We love when you watch our videos. They really do make a difference. We've gone through the boat. It's a great running machine. It's a 185 Bayliner Flight Series model. pacificcoastyachtsales.com. You can give Christie a call at 604-317-3847 for more information, viewing, and to buy this one. Somebody's gonna get a great boat, great price, amazing condition. Watch the rest of our videos. Please look at all our photos. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.